Using the Skrill app is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money, as well as make online payments, quickly and securely. To get started, first download the Skrill app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your email address and a secure password. Next, verify your account by clicking on the link sent to your email address. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your account. After verifying your account, you can add funds to your Skrill wallet using various payment methods such as credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or other payment options. To send money, select the Send Money option. Enter the recipient's email address or Skrill ID, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a message to the recipient if needed. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment. To receive money, simply provide your Skrill email address or ID to the sender. You will receive a notification once the funds are credited to your account. You can then use these funds to make online payments or withdraw them to your bank account. It is essential to keep your Skrill account secure by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and monitoring your account activity regularly. Additionally, make sure to only send money to trusted recipients and be cautious of phishing scams. In terms of fees, Skrill charges a small fee for certain transactions, such as sending money to a credit or debit card. However, receiving money is usually free. You can check the Skrill website for the most up-to-date fee information. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Skrill app with confidence and take advantage of its convenient and secure payment services. Remember to always prioritize account security and be mindful of transaction fees to get the most out of your Skrill experience.